This is my new big present from Greg. And Ada has already figured out how to turn it on and off. Can you go press the one that starts with the D to see if it will go back to charge? Because we're not supposed to be using it yet. Do you want to get down and go see if you can get it to go back to the home base?
Yeah.
Let's go find the one with the D on it. It's at the bottom of the button you pressed. See if you can find it. We're going to press right here. Can you press right there? Hey, it's going over your toe. No? You can't press it? Go find it. Go. Let's do it. Uh-oh, he's gonna clean your Playmobil. Okay, when it comes by now, press this one right here. Go. Press it. I'll stop it. You press it. Good. Now press right here. Press right there. And then let's get out of the way so it can... There you go. Okay, now leave it. Let's see if it goes back to its spot. Uh-oh, not this way. Your dock's not this way. Uh-oh. It's okay, baby. It's got to find its way back. Ada's back on her post. Wait a minute. He says, I'm out of here. Come on back, robot. And now, of course, the dog is barking. Thanks, Auntie. Wait a minute. It's not going back to the dock. What happened? Ah! Should we go try and press it again?
Yeah.
Should I see if that makes it go back?
Yeah.
All right. Cleaning by Sissy's shoes. Well, it's flashing, Doc. I'm not sure. Okay, maybe it's going to go back now. This is our exciting life, I tell you.
No.
Come on, head on back. Uh-oh. No, not this way. Okay, go back to the dock. Let's see. Okay, it's headed in the right direction again. Do you think it's going to go? Whoops. Maybe this means that it's got too many walls in the way. Turn around. Not that way. Not that way.
Not that way. Not that way.
Come on, little robot. Oh, it's going to try and clean under the piano. If you're still watching this, then you are a true fan of Ada. Turn around.
Going that way.
Going that way. Tell it which way should it go, Bubby.
This way.
Yeah, over there, under the computer table. Come on, Roomba. Wrong way, wrong way. We are having some user error here. Wrong way, go that way. Go that way.
Go that way, Doctor.
Yeah, there you go. Slowly. Think it's going to go?
Yeah.
Hey, it did vacuum up something in the way. That's good. You could make it over the fringe, okay. Okay, it's headed back the right way. Maybe it's going to go. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yeah, 4 minutes it took us to get it back to its dock. Okay, Ada Jane. Oh, no. No pressing the button now, Bubby.
No. It's off.
Yeah, it's going to turn itself off, I think. Uh-oh. No, it's coming back out. Oh, I think it's trying to back into its spot. Oh, no. Is it going to make it? Yeah. It says, bye-bye. Don't turn me on now, okay? No pressing the button right now because it has to charge. Okay? Promise? Okay.
You're doing it today.
Yeah, we'll do it later.